Hello! Today we will try to apply a screen protector on this iPhone 7 Plus, and you will see the tips and tricks and how easy it can be if you follow the instructions and the step-by-step process. So as we can see, this is just an ordinary cheap inexpensive glass screen protection. So it has a front side, the side that it will finally be on top on the iPhone, and it has a back side. How do we know which one is what? Simply, the back side has this sticker that indicates to me that this is the back side, and then I will peel the sticker off before I put it on the screen. So this is for the screen protector. That's a glass screen protector, and but just a membrane can be similarly put on an iPhone. We have two wipes. We have the dry wipe and the wet wipe. We will see how we use those. And then we have those magic stickers. They are magic because they will absorb any particles of dust on the phone, and they will help me align the screen protector on the screen. So let's start with everything. First of all, I want you to switch off the iPhone. I have it switched off here, and I want it to be switched off so that I can see what am I doing clearly. If it's lit up, then it's difficult to see where it goes what. So, step 1, switch off the iPhone. Step 2, get the wet wipe off out of the case here. Okay, and start smoothly go over the screen, clean the screen well. Okay, after my screen is done, okay, then I can apply my dry wipe and clean any residue from the wet wipe off. Okay, that's fine. So then we use the dust absorber. That sticker, and how I use that, I tap on the screen. I tap on the screen, everywhere on the screen. Just quickly tap. And that will collect any dust particles, anything that I don't want on my screen and in between the screen and the protector. Then I will place the guide stickers on two sides of the screen protector, so that I can then hold the screen protector and align it. You see, this is the front side of the screen protector. I'm not touching the back side yet. I have that ready. Let's do a very quick tab again with the dust collector. Very quick and necessary step. Never skip this step. Okay. I'll put it back here. And now I'm ready to apply the screen protector on the iPhone. I will peel I will peel the back sticker off completely, and I will rely on my guide stickers to stick it properly. I'm trying to align the first part on the phone, and then once I have managed to do that, I'll go ahead and do the other one. I'm careful to place it on the right side. Yep, here should be great. So once I do that, as you can see, the bubble shrinks, and now it's a time where I need to get a wipe and push the air out. I'll push the air out. You see, I stick it on and then I let it for a second or two. You see that the bubble goes in the middle, and then I start pushing the air out from all sides. Okay, and then I will peel the stickers off. I don't need them anymore. The screen protector, the glass screen protector, is on the screen already. And now the iPhone is ready. Not a single bubble. Ready, clear, and nice. So follow these steps, switch the iPhone off, clean the iPhone with the wet wipe and then with the dry wipe. Then don't forget the dust absorber. Tap on the screen everywhere to collect any dust particles that will later stick and will make a small bubble between your glass protector and the screen. Align the glass screen protector with the stickers so you can then hold it from the stickers. If you touch it from the back, the screen protector then will collect dust and it will look bad. So, and then smoothly align the screen protector around the screen. Let it stick on its own, and once you see the bubble being on the middle of the screen, just get the wipe and push the air out. Simple steps, and they work every time. Well, that's it then. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you, bye.